Mounting your PIKEPASS transponder has never been easier. Make sure the mounting area on your windshield has been cleaned and dried. The PIKEPASS should be placed in the center of the windshield, right below the rear view mirror. Next, take the PIKEPASS and gently peel it away. Careful not to touch the adhesive side too much. When placing the PIKEPASS from inside your vehicle, the PIKEPASS logo should face outward while the barcode will face inward. Starting at one end, press the transponder to the windshield firmly. Do not attempt to remove the sticker once in place. And that's it. Make sure your license plate number and state issuer is up to date on your PIKEPASS account, and you'll be ready to travel on all of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas turnpikes, and certain toll roads in Colorado and Florida at the lowest guaranteed rate. The Oklahoma Turnpike Authority thanks you for choosing PIKEPASS. Safe, efficient, reliable.